Samunan, welcome to the Maswiti Mona Production channel. If you are new to the channel, please make sure that you hit the like button and the subscribe button. Uningakhohlwa ukukhomenta mangabuqeda ukubuka le video. Kanza kwethu kwenzeka ihlazo izolo eceleni lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa mhla ka-2 December 2025 kugaseleka amaphoyisa ngenkathi inkantolo iqhubeka nokusebenza kuphenywa ke noma kuhlohlwa ngemibuzo umnumzane uGwabini noma ke umnumzane uZungu. Amaphoyisa ke angena ke athatha abathathu abesilisa bebekade ke behamba naye uGwabeni. Amaphoyisa ke athi ke laba bathatha nje ngoba ke basola ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi ke bayilaba abafunwayo abahambe ke behlala enkantolo noma khona ke kuloleli cala be-attenda loleli cala ngezinhloso zokuthi ke bathole ithuba lokusoconga ijaji kanye ke nabashushisi okuJudge Ratha kanye ke nobaloyi nethimba lakhe. Amaphoyisa ke mangabe chaza ke athi ke laba bathathu abathathiwe bengathathelwa khona ukuthi ke bayoboshwa, kodwa ke bebethathela ukuthi ke beyohlohlwa ngemibuzo bephinde ke becheckwe namanye mhlambe kamacala abanawo, ngenxa yokuthi amaphoyisa anesiqiniseko ukuthi ngempela bakhona abangenayo kule nkantolo bezohlala bebheke ke ithuba lokusoconga ke laba ababalekile kuleli cala. Kanti ke amaphoyisa aqinisekisile ukuthi ke likhona ngempela icala eselivuliwe epolice steshi lokuzama noma ke lokuhlela ukubulawa, kanti ke bekungakaboshwa umuntu, kodwa bakhona nabanye basazobizwa futhi bezohlohlwa ngemibuzo iwona amaphoyisa. Leli cala ke lizoqhubeka namhlanje njengoba kulesithathu mhla ka-3 December 2025. Kanti ke ngesikhathi ke laba besilisa bethathwa ke umnumzane uGwabini akakwazanga ukuqhubeka nokuthi ke aphendule imibuzo bekade ehlohlwa yona, ekhala ngokuthi uyamangala ukuthi ke kwenzakalani manje abantu akafike nabo bemphelezele enkantolo nakhu ke sebethathwa ke amaphoyisa. Nosekudala ukuthi ke umnumzane umnisi Advocate Ramosipili kanye no-Advocate uNxumalo baphumele ngaphandle beyozwa ukuthi ke kwenzakalani. Ekugcineni ke kwabeka sekuthiwa ke cha ake lime ke icala lizoqhubeka namhlanje mhla. Kanti ke sizophinde sithule nethuba lokuzwa noma ke nokubona ukuthi ke ezokuphepha sizoqiniswa kanjani around ke bona laba ababaleke kangaka enkantolo namuhla. Ngicela ukuthi ke njengamanje silalela ivideo okhulumela amaphoyisa echaza ukuthi kahle kahle bekwenzakalani kanti kungani kwenzeke ngaleya ndlela, siphinde sibone ukuthi ngempela kwenzakaleni enkantolo. Ngiyabonga.
SAPS can confirm that a case of conspiracy to commit murder has been registered and has been under investigation for a number of weeks in relation to the Senzo Meyiwa trial. The SAPS has received solid intelligence that there are a group of individuals who attend proceedings with the sole purpose of looking for an opportunity to eliminate key role players on the side of the state. The SAPS has taken a group of individuals who attended proceedings this morning for further questioning and profiling. Security has been heightened and intelligence is on high alert. All steps taken are to ensure we eliminate the threat as well as to protect and save lives. No arrests have been made thus far as investigations and a search for more individuals continue.
And in paragraph 1.1, we state that the state is seeking to cross-examine Mr. Sifiso Gwabeni Zungu, and we are going to use the word Gwabeni throughout, and for the simple reason, my lord, that is commonly known by that name, and in cross-examination by counsel for the defense, they also referred to him by that name. Is not out of any disrespect or anything, my lord. We seek to cross-examine him on his extracurricular statement, which he made in terms of section 204 of the Criminal Procedure Act. And in paragraph 1.2, we mentioned that Gwabeni has been called as a defense witness on behalf of accused number 1.
My lord, may I also be excused?
Excused?
No, to attend to the situation. I'm coming back.
Yeah, I shouldn't sense it. When you say you was excused, you mean you are walking out of the proceedings?
No, not at all.
I see, okay.
I abandoned you.
Oh, that's fine.
Nkosi Katolo, ukhana bathe ngihamba nabo la bathatha amaphoyisa ahamba nabo abheka la ngisazi kwenzakalani.
There are people who were in my company, my lord, and that were seated here. And then
Yeah.
they've been now taken by the police, so I'm not sure as to what is happening.
No.
Just now, my lord.
Na besejike nabo ngabheka nabo le.
They took them and went right around with them.
How will I intervene? Are they arrested or are they taken? Which is which?
Asazi-ke ukuthi mhlampe bayaboshwa labantu noma-ke bayathathwa nje.
Yikho ngibuza inkosi kathi kwenzakalani.
That's why I'm asking this court as to what is happening, my lord.
I don't know.
Inkosi enkantolo ayazi yona.
Is it the court?
Yeah.
May I request an indulgence just to find out as to what is happening?
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
My lord, may I also be excused?
Excused.
No, to attend to the
I see.
situation. Yes, I'm coming back.
Yeah, isilungu senziwa, ne? When you say you must be excused, you mean you are walking out of the proceedings?
No, not at all.
I see. Okay.
I'm abandoned.
All right, fine.